Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today, I'm going to answer a question: how do I maintain my casement windows? Okay, so here I have an Anlin Coronado casement window. Now, this is from the inside view, and a lot of times, you can do a lot of your stuff and maintaining these things from inside the house. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just take off the screen, because all screens are always going to be on the inside when it comes to a casement or an awning style window. So we pull it off. Maybe you want to clean this. Maybe you want to, do whatever, so now's the chance. So you take it off, you set it aside. So here is your window. Now, you're going to obviously unlock your window, and part of that is going to be something that you're going to be servicing. So we're going to open up the window. All right. So you got all the mechanical parts here. You got your arms, your cranks, you have your tie rod locking mechanism. Everything is all here, and you're like, okay, so maybe there's some dirt buildup on the inside, and what I'll usually do is I'll tell people take like an old paintbrush and have it so that way, you can pour a little water in here, or if you want to do just knocking down the dust, you'll want to get in here, knock all this dust off. You'll see the glides here, top and bottom, which actually slide this thing, back and forth as it's closing and opening. So you'll knock all the dirt out. If you want to get really into it, maybe you take like a flathead screwdriver with like an old rag or something, and you get in there and you knock all that down. So you're knocking all this stuff off, right? Top, bottom. Usually the top isn't so bad. It's always the bottom because that's where everything lands and builds up. So we're done with that. Now it's going to be a lubricant. I would say you're going to use like a dry film lubricant. We use a spray Wade W077. This is what we order in to use because it works very, very well. There's no petroleum in this, so it doesn't create a mess later. Even though these are metal parts, I'm still not gonna put a grease agent on this because crud that it creates later, and I just don't feel like you need to do all that, right? So you come in here, and I might as well spray this. You're gonna spray the glide areas, the tie rod locking areas, and the top glide. That's it. You'll close up the window, so that seems good. And then there's the tie rod locking the receivers that are on the sash, so I'll hit those. Face up, just a little squirt each side. And that is all I'm gonna do. So that right there, and I'll just check my work. Yeah, that locks really, really easy. That unlocks so nice. If you live upstairs, if you're downstairs, well, that's all you gotta do. Any questions, you always put them in the comment section, and that's it. Thank you guys. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.